Wow, look at our amazing home.
Friday night is the best night.
Pass the pizza burgers, please. I love American fast food. This cartoon is so funny!
Look at the silly cat jump. I love our family nights. Everyone is so happy together.
Can we stay up late tonight?
Just a little while longer.
This is the best Friday ever!
I agree completely.
I am the greatest thief ever! This window is too heavy. Push harder, stumble. Ouch. That hurts. But look at all this shiny gold. See? I am a master ninja. Now the shiny gold is mine.
Wow, look at these massive diamonds. I am going to be so rich.
Wait, do I pizza burger? I am so hungry right now.
Oh, wow. A giant cheesy pizza burger. This is my lucky night.
So much cheese. American food is the best.
Did you hear that noise, Tom? Someone is downstairs. I am scared, Lily. What if it is a mysterious creature? No, Tom. It is a thief. He is stealing our gold.
What do we do?
We can't. We cannot let him take our treasures. We must be brave, Tom.
Are you sure about this?
We have to protect our family.
You are right, Lily.
I am brave. Let's catch the bad guy together. Together. I like that. We need a mega trap. Go get your slippery marbles. Yes, Captain Lily. I have my remote-controlled trucks ready. Perfect. First, we make a tripwire. He won't see this string.
Done. What happens next?
When the fat thief walk out, he will fall down so hard. Next is my turn. I will make the floor super slippery. The first trap is perfectly set. Now for the heavy swinging surprise. I painted this big pillow to look like stone. That is so clever.
When he steps on the slippery oil,
the heavy bowling ball swings down fast.
and here comes the mysterious creature truck avalanche.
My toy cars are super fast, Lily. I have the remote control ready. He will not escape our amazing trap. This is gonna work.
That pizza burger was delicious. Best late night snack ever. Now back to work. Oh my goodness. My tummy is so full and heavy. Time to take this shiny gold. Back to my secret hideout. I am am the smartest thief ever. No one can ever catch Stumble.
Whoa! What is happening? My heavy foot is stuck! Help! The floor is so slippery! It is like ice! Oh no, my beautiful shiny gold! Stop sliding! Stop!
Now, Lily, watch the bowling ball swing.
Ouch! A giant stone ball! Why is this house dangerous? Everything is spinning! I feel so dizzy!
Ready, set, go! Mysterious creature truck avalanche. Approach!
They are biting my legs! Jump! Stumble! Jump! Jump! I do not like this house. I want to go home.
Hurry, Tom! He is sliding right into our giant sticky spiderweb trap.
Whoa! I am going too fast! Where are the brakes on this floor? What is this? My face is stuck! I cannot move my hands! Help! I am trapped!
Like a giant bug in a spider web. You sneaky little kids. Give me back my heavy gold sack. I am so angry. I will break this sticky tape.
It worked, Lily. Now, Tom, get ready for the final drop. Hold this strong rope. I got it, Lily. We are the best team ever. Pull it tight. Watch out below, Mr. Thief. Our mega trap is working perfectly. Look up. The giant laundry net is ready. Ready to catch him like a fish.
Oh no! What is falling? A giant white mysterious creature!
I am caught in a giant net. Get me out of here.
What was that massive noise downstairs?
Did something heavy break?
Oh my goodness. The kids are downstairs. We have to hurry, David.
I will protect our family.
Grab your phone. Let's run fast.
Stay behind me, Emma. I will stop the bad guy.
Oh no! Look down there! What is that massive white thing?
Please do not tap me. I surrender completely.
What? A giant fat thief? In a laundry net?
Who did this amazing trap?
We did it, Daddy. We used teamwork. And built a mega trap.
You caught him yourselves?
Yes, Mom. We worked together.
Hello, 911 police. We caught a bad thief.
Hey, this 10 leads to number 1.
That is hilarious!
Ouch! These handcuffs are tight.
And my tummy is still hungry.
Watch my head.
The police are incredibly fast. Incredibly fast.
They are here to help us.
You are incredibly brave, kids. Here are shiny gold police badges.
For you both.
Wow. Real police badges.
This is amazing, Tom.
Good morning. Wow, I had the best sleep ever.
Did I miss anything?
Oh, no. A giant pancake breakfast.
This looks delicious, Mom. I am so hungry.
You both earned this.
Bravery is not about never being scared.
It is about working together anyway. What?
I was scared at first. Me too, Tom. But we did it together. That is what made us brave.
I am so proud of you both.
Our little superheroes.
Best Friday night ever.